Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making a strawberry pineapple cream smoothie. These are the ingredients that I use. So I am using some plain yogurt, some plain almond milk, some fiber, plant-based protein, some flaxseed, some honey, and strawberries and pineapples. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start off with the almond milk. We are going to use about 2 cups. I don't measure really. I just use my eyes or my heart to measure with, but I don't really measure. So it's about 2 cups of the almond milk I'm going to use. And then we are going to use the plain yogurt. So once again, I'm not measuring, so I believe I used about a half of a cup of the plain yogurt. So now we're going to use some plant-based protein. You can use regular protein, but at one time I was on a plant-based diet, so I was only using plant-based products. But I had some of that left, so I'm going to use the plant-based protein. You follow the instructions on the pack. It's either 1 to 2 scoops. So next we are going to use flaxseed. Now flaxseed helps with digestion, it relieves constipation, and it promotes a feeling of fullness. It helps you to feel full. Now flaxseed is also good. It's rich in omega-3 and also helps with blood sugar control. So next we are going to add in some fiber. Now fiber also keeps you full longer, and it also controls your blood sugars, and it supports your digestive health. So I'm going to use about a tablespoonful of that also. Now I brought a fiber that had mixed fruit in it, but you can use plain fiber also. So next I am going to use some honey. I probably used about 1/3 cup of honey. You can also use other types of sweeteners. Sometimes I do use the stevia. You can also use monk fruit, or some people use dates, or the allulose sweetener. And those things can help make it a little sweeter, or you can just use plain fruit to make it sweeter. So next we are going to use some strawberries. Now all berries are good for you. They boost immunity. They are heart health by lowering your cholesterol and your blood pressure. It is also good for inflammation. And then lastly, we are going to use some pineapples. Now, pineapples are a good source of minerals, including vitamin C. And vitamin C helps boost your immune system. So all of these things that we're putting in here are really great for you. So now we're going to get everything blended very well. Now let's get it all poured up, guys, and give it a taste. Now that's pretty good.